Inside the factory. This is how things are made.
Every sneaker you've ever worn starts here, in factories where hands and machines build what moves the world.
Breathable mesh, synthetic leather, every piece laser cut to the millimeter, arranged by hand. Every panel has a place, every seam a purpose.
Stitched at 5,000 stitches per minute. Strong enough to last years.
Thousands of uppers, moving as one toward transformation. Heat. Pressure. The last shapes everything. This is where the fit is born. EVA foam. Compression molded for every step you'll take. Primer applied by hand. Heat-activated adhesive. Pressed together under 3 tons of force. Rubber outsole. Scored, primed, ready to grip the ground beneath your feet. The final bond. Upper meets sole. This is the moment a shoe becomes whole. Every shoe inspected, flexed, examined. Only the perfect ones continue. Laces threaded. Insoles placed. The final details that complete the design. Paired, boxed, sealed, ready for the world and your feet. From one factory floor to millions of feet worldwide. Mesh, foam, rubber, thread, engineered for motion. This is how sneakers are made.
Subscribe for more factory processes.